Can I know whether it is the fact that COVID Beep launch has been effective in dealing with the pandemic, whether the people at large are aware of this app? If so, the details thereof, and if not, the reasons thereof.
Speaker sir, I appreciate the question put by the honorable members. It has a huge relevance with the contemporary crisis and the catastrophe of COVID that we are facing. And I like to use this opportunity to share with the Honorable House and the August House that under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, while India has been universally acknowledged as having launched one of the largest and the fastest vaccination drives in the world, at the same time, there are number of initiatives taken which are purely indigenous, first of their kind, and very much in keeping with Prime Minister's mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And what the honorable member has referred today is also a device called COVID Beep. COVID stands for Continuous Oxygen Vital Information Device, also synonymous with the name COVID, and it is a purely indigenous device. I compliment the scientists in the Department of Atomic Energy for having come out with this, and it has been developed by the Electronic Corporation of India Limited and with the collaboration of ESI Hospital, Hyderabad. Now, coming precisely to what the honorable member said, yes, this device is being largely publicized for a wider use. If you want precise details, I'll let you know. We have already supplied more than 500 to the Red Cross Society in Kerala. We have more than 100 being used in the ESIC hospital. Rishikesh AIMS has already procured, and there is a potential order of more than 10,000 from the Ministry of Labour and Employment. We are also engaging with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The presentations are going on. I think this is a unique device in the sense that it is very handy, and it is not only usable for individuals like you have oximeter, it can be used also in the hospital setting. So it is not only home setting, it is a hospital setting as well, and it has simultaneously the provision of measuring not only the oxygen levels, which are known to be vital by all of us in the COVID, during the COVID management, but it also simultaneously records body temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, ECG, and respiratory rate. In other words, this is a kind of a unique invention which even after we have overcome the COVID crisis will come handy later also. In the hospitals, it is also geotagged. It has a Bhuvan connection through ISRO, and therefore it has not only a mobile app but also GSM SIM which operates through Bhuvan, as a result of which we are trying to convince the hospitals that it could be used for monitoring patients in the wards while our nursing workers are sitting at the nursing stations or consultants are sitting in the rooms. So without going close to the patient, which is also a kind of an SOP to be followed in COVID times, this could help in also managing and at the same time also ensuring that the quarantine and other appropriate behavior is being followed, because any movement of the patient or the individual will also get recorded.
Sir, whether it is a fact that it has been seen that by and large alarms of the app were not actionable, meaning as and when alarms were genuinely needed to save patient, it proved like a needle in haystack. What steps are taken in this regard? Thank you.
No, Honorable Speaker, sir, while I appreciate the concerns raised by the Honorable Member, which only reflects her deep concern for ideal management of COVID and the potential COVID patients, I would like to convey to her that adequate trials have been done on this device, not once, more than once, demonstrations given to different hospitals, to different organizations, and therefore that is how it has gained acceptability as an easy to use device. with a huge degree of specificity, huge degree of sensitivity. It is also relatively cost effective, and as I said, it is meant for multiple use, not only as far as the multiple parameters recording is concerned, but also as far as the multiple utility locations are concerned, which in other words means that not only an individual can use it, but also hospitals can use it. It is an easy to wear device which is tied around the wrist, and then the rest of it follows.